What did you put?
Yeah, I did all that. Can you turn back on while I'm recording?
I'm sorry.
See that? Do you see that?
It's...
I'm a prisoner of my...
If anybody can teach me how to turn the brightness down on my Canon G7X Mark II, please help a sister out. So excuse the lighting right now. It's really irritating me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's DanWjnn. I'm back with another video. As always, watch me go to 0 to 100. Honestly, I really don't know what look I'm about to do. So just watch me work and we'll see. I don't know if I'm going to use color, if I'm going to use a little bit of color, or if I'm actually even do eyeshadow, but we'll see. We'll see by the end of this video, okay? So if you want to see, stay tuned, keep watching. I think I'm just going to do it like a... Why does it look like that? Oh, I'm getting angry. I'm getting angry. I'm getting angry. I don't know how to do these settings. I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. I don't think I've ever showed you guys how I do my eyebrows. Very, very simple. I'm gonna show you real quickie. So all I use is a pencil. This is a NYX pencil in the color dark brown. First off, let me prime my face. I already moisturized my face with my vitamin E oil. So I'm gonna use to prime my face. I'm gonna use e.l.f.'s Pore Priming Skin Primer. No, or e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. But yeah, this. See how it just smooths my face out? Whew. e.l.f. is getting up there.
Children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up.
And focus, there we go. So taking my Morphe M167 brush. I use a mix of the MAC Pro Longwear concealer in the color NW45 and I think, yeah, NC. So NC45 and NW45. And I just mix them. So here's a trick. When you put the concealer on, well, I normally just like put it on and wait for it to get tacky, or really for it to like melt in my skin.
The doors open. Take the high road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors open. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh.
So I'm mixing my NARS Radiant Concealer in the color New Caledonia and my SEPHORA 10-hour Wear Perfect Protection in the color Fonce.
Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up, open, open. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's open. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in.
Now I'm gonna set my face with my SEPHORA MicroSmooth powder in the color Deep, or in the shade Deep. I'm gonna set everywhere else where I have not set already.
Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up, open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up, open, open. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Monarch butterflies.
I really don't know what to do with my hair. Maybe I'll just shake it out.
Negotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open.
So anyway, guys, this concludes this look. I don't know what's going on with my hair. So this is like my natural. I'm not gonna say every day because I don't wear makeup every day. Like, I'd be the first to say I don't wear makeup every day, but if I wanted to do something simple, it'll be this with a pretty glossy lip. Sometimes I'll do like my little outline and like line it with a dark lip liner, and then I'll do a nude in the middle and then some gloss on top. But this is real simple as can be. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.